Boom. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make something like that. I'm Sally Jacks. Hello, this is for Halloween, a great ghost for the kids. All you need is a couple of rolls of sellotape, the thicker one, the parcel one, the clear one. You need a piece of card and you can cut the holes and the mouth. Very simple, just go around a glass with a black card. You need a cling film and a balloon and a vase or a ball. Let's get to work and let's see how easy this is and how quick you can make it. basically is how quick and simple it is to make. So what you need is cling film. You need a balloon and a vase. You put the balloon on the vase, as you can see, you cover it in cling film. And you make sure you completely cover it because you don't want that to get stuck. You can always pop it, but you don't want it to get stuck to you because you don't want that colouring in there. You then go round. You need 2 rolls of the postal, so it's the thicker tape. You need 2 rolls of that. You go round by attaching it to the table, over the balloon, attach it to the other side. You go round and round and round and round with your 2 rolls. You then cut 2 circles or whatever face you want to do. That's entirely up to you. So I've gone for the 2 scary faces on these, and then all you do is stick it on. It's my 99p glue. You could yacht varnish over it if you're going to put them outside. The lights, I've got the black cable, I'm away from home, but white cable obviously would be better so you wouldn't see it underneath there. You want outdoor lights, because if you want to use these outdoors, you've always got the chance that battery operated. They've got flashing on them so you can go through the system. I think I put them on just steady on. However, flickering looks really good as well. And I'm actually going to place those probably up my driveway or up the pathway, or I might put them in between the gravestones that are on the garden for Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe, give us your thumbs up, press the bell for notifications, but the most important thing to be part of this family is to obviously subscribe, and it's right below you on that big red subscribe button. If you press that, you will always hear you know, when the new stuff's coming up. You'll always see my new YouTube videos. The bell notification next to the subscribe button tells you and notifies you every time a new video is uploaded. See you later. Happy Halloween, and I hope you have fun making these with the kids at home. They're absolutely awesome. Just don't let them put over the heads like I did at the end. I know that's a little bit of fun, but not for the children. See you later. Love you. Bye.